Hold on. No, but why is the screen going on shorter? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a SHEIN haul, which is called as SHEIN. I think it's called SHEIN because that's how I pronounce it, but yeah, you get the drift. So today I'm really excited because it just arrived and I received 2 packages. So it arrived in this big old box. This big old box because I ordered some coats as well online. Along with that, and along with that, I bought this. I came with this little package because I bought about 2 jackets. The rest of items were just tops, which was on proper sale. So in this little package, I got these tops that are inside here. They're fully forced in, well packed up to the brim. So these are all of them. So in this little small package, there are about 1, 2, 3 that just dropped, 4, 5, 6, 7 tops. So let's try them on. First of all, this is a little top that I bought. I think it was about £2 or a pound. It was very very cheap because they were on sale. Yep, so it's this small, and then the bottom bit, it has this little wiggly gathering thing going on. Now I see how it looks on me. It feels very comfy, surprisingly. It's not too tight, and as you can see, it reached just below my bra. So this is how it looks like down here, and this is how the back looks like, so you can see it. So it feels very comfy. It feels like a cotton material. I think it's a cotton material, I'm not too sure, but it feels very nice. So I'm going to wear this on holiday. Quite stretchy. I think it's in size either small, because this could have been medium, so I think it's small. It feels really nice on this. Never gonna lie, I like it. Another outfit that I got. So these are the buttons coming down. I really like the buttons, so I thought I'm just get it, and it was on sale as well. Right now I can't remember how much it was, but it was quite cheap. It either was for £2, £2.50 or £3. Because it's like winter now, they have summer tops that's on sale at the moment. I don't know how you wear it. So this is how the top is looking on me right now. The buttons coming down in the middle. It's alright. I mean, you can wear this with like some jeans or something. Not with these little trousers, but it comes all the way down, like down past the stomach area. And I love the little buttons, give it a little bit of details going on. I think this is in size medium because it feels a bit stretchy. So this is a top that I purchased as well. Because it's winter now, I wanted something that is long sleeve and to my neck as well. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very stretchy. Oh my gosh, I don't know what size this is in, but it's either small or medium. I can't really tell right now, but I love it. Like, it feels so nice, very stretchy, and it has a thing coming off to the neck. Because like it's winter time, you want like up here to be warm as well. So I thought, let me just get that because it's winter, okay? So yeah, as you can see, the sleeve is a bit gathering, or there's a bit long for me. It's fine, it's like whatever. I have these in 3 colors, in a creamy white color. I don't want to put it on because I have makeup on and I don't want to get it all messy and stuff, so I won't try it on for this haul, but just get the drift of how it would look like. It will be white, and that is all. So I got this boob tube in black. That's what it looks like. It's coming down to here. Stretchy as well, very stretchy and comfortable. And that's what it looks like from the back. That's what it looks like from the back and the side. Yeah, so all you just do is you put it over your neck and it just comes down. You put it to your position. There's nothing here in the middle, like you can't, you know, like clip it off. It just comes as this in the material, so it's pretty cool that way. Yeah, so you can wear this with either one of these joggers, or you can wear it with some jeans or whatever. Yeah, coming to try this on. This is white, and I can see already like it's bringing like a really good vibes to my complexion. I love the white and the little detail button right here. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna pop this down a bit. This looks really cute. I feel like a little Spanish girl, but I'm not. But hey, we can pretend. So this is how it looks like. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, this looks so cute. Yeah, I'm loving the white. I'm really loving the white so far. I'm just gonna put it down for you guys so you can see. Yes, I put it down to here, give it a more of a compliment look. Yeah, and has a little buttons coming down. You can't unbutton it or unfasten it. It just comes with a material like this. Yeah, that's what it looks like on the bottom. This is how the back looks like. I think it's either in size medium or small. I don't know, guys. Okay, I don't know. But yeah, this is how it looks like. It looks so nice. Literally, I'm loving this. Like, I'm really loving it. Yeah, so I love already this color, this coral color that I've got in a bandeau. It's a bandeau top that I purchased. This was also on, they were all on sale. I love how this fits on me. Are you kidding me? Like, I love how it fits on me. It's very stretchy again, and it has a little frill going on. The bottom just have like a straight cut to it, like a straight seam. I don't know what we call this, but it's just straight. It's not frilled. All depends how you want to style it, either with a trap bottom or a loose fit, or with a jeans of your choice. Okay guys, so this is the other top. As you can see, it's Spanish again. I'm loving it. It's long sleeves, it's very stretchy as well, and these are actual buttons that you can actually unfasten. So there's one button here that I haven't fastened, but so you can unfasten the bottom and all the other rest, but I will button that up back. Yeah, so there you go. I'm loving how it looks on me. It's very nice. As I said, it's very sassy. Yeah, you can wear it with these trousers I'm wearing right now. It's not bad at all. A track bottom if you like to wear with a track bottom, with jeans, however you want to style it. It's up to you. But right now it looks really nice. I'm loving the vibe it's giving me. Like, yeah, loving it. Guys, when I saw this top here online, I was like, I cannot like not buy it because it looks so nice. Show you guys how it fits on me. The material alone is what I love. Like, that's how I saw them wearing it anyways. You can wear it like that if you like it like that, but normally you should wear it like this. But no, one up, one down if you like it like that, up to you, whatever. As I said, the stretch is amazing. Okay, it feels like it's spandex in a way, but it's very stretchy. You can wear it with this. Like, I think this is my go-to trousers now. Like, you can wear it with anything, but you can tuck it in and wear it like this. Like, it looks really nice, very stylish, you know, casual. Is very comfy. Like it, love it. Next outfit. Oh, there are 4 of them. Okay, all right, guys, hurry, like hurry and focus. Okay guys, so I thought I bought 3 turtleneck tops, but there weren't 3, there was 4. So I have this in burgundy. I don't know why I buy so much, but I guess it was worth it because they're really comfy as well. I'm gonna try this on for you guys, just for sake of just trying it on. Yeah, so this is giving me a fall vibes, like a fall vibes. I'm loving it. As I said, it's very stretchy and comfy. Like, I actually like these tops. Like, it's very comfy. Yeah, actually, guys, I'm done. Like, it's very stretchy, as I said to you before, very stretchy, comes to the neck to keep you warm. I love that bit about it the most as well. For the last tops, okay, that's for the last tops. Hold on. This is quite funny, you know. I actually got 5 of these. Actually, I got 5 of these turtlenecks. This is actually in white. Oh my gosh, navy, brown, red, and white.
So read it 2 times.
Oh, I meant to say cream, but yeah. I can't actually got 5 of these. That's crazy. But I love the white though, because the white goes with everything. Look how pretty the white is. Are you kidding me? Are you dumb? So this black thing comes with a jacket as well. I'm gonna show you guys how to wear it. So I'm placing it on the side at the moment. For a second, I should say. I'll place it there for a second. This has a hoodie on it. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. Are you kidding? Oh, it feels so nice. It feels very, very soft. It feels so nice. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Wait, okay. Take this over here as well. What's in my eye? So, yeah, this string is what you used to like tie yourself like this. And you tie it around. Like so. Just give it, you know, a little knot. Tie it like that. And there you go. It looks like a robe, but it's not really a robe. But it feels really, really nice. Literally, it feels so nice. So nice. It's here as well on both ends. Pockets here, so that's really, really cute. This is in small, cause so inside the coat. Now this one feels really, it feels very fitted as well. It feels very, very nice. And this comes all the way down here, which is great. And it has these little pockets going on. So I'm gonna button it up like so. And this is how it looks like. I really like it. As you can see, like I love brown. Like I love brown jackets. It's just my thing. I just love brown. It's my little Conchella coat. I think these were like £17, 16. Like they was quite cheap. Actually, they were quite affordable. Okay, quite affordable. Yeah, I'm liking this one more. So yeah. So anyhow, guys, I want to finish this up now, wrap it up, and it's coming to an end. Come back with dying. And let me just say thank you for watching this video of my SHEIN haul. Hope you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and comment down below or which item you like. If you like this little Conchella coat here on the light, or do you like the little robe jacket that is actually trending right now. So let me guys, what am I saying? Let me go. So let me know, guys, what you guys like, okay, and which top you guys like as well, like the ones that I tried on. And yeah, now I'm gonna finish this video now. So bye guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, okay, and also follow my Insta, as you can see down here below, and follow it up, like all the pictures, comment down below and all the good stuff. And yeah, I'm going now. Bye guys.